instruct them to release the names of the entities that have entered into contracts with the TAJ for the lease of properties, one in St. Mary and one in Mandeville. $400 million of taxpayers' funds have gone into those two entities for two locations which have not been occupied. The TAJ has unlawfully, improperly used a section of the Data Protection Act to prevent the public from finding out what those two entities are. The minister must instruct them to release those names. It is in the interest of transparency and good governance. Taxpayers have a right to know who their monies are spent with, who contracts are awarded to. And I want to go further than that. As we move to look at procurement and reduce the issues in procurement, the government should voluntarily publish, as the former Contractor General did, all contracts over a certain amount on a website so that the public has a right to see how their money is being spent and with